In this video I will show you how to make money using Pixabay and Pexels free sites. These are sites where you can download images, videos, and even music. They are copyright free and you can use pictures or videos to earn money. There are two ways to make money with Pixabay and Pexels sites. The first way is to create a video and publish it on YouTube. Choose a niche that you like. For example, I will choose travel. After that, you need to come up with a name and write a script for the video. You can come up with a scenario or use artificial intelligence for this. For example, ChatGPT. Next, download images or videos and start the process of creating a video. There are a lot of images and videos on the Pixabay or Pexels website. For any subject you can find and download something. After that, it remains to voice the script and record the soundtrack. This can be done at home. You can also use artificial intelligence to record an audio track. For example, there are a lot of sites where you can get a voiced audio track in seconds.
London, the capital of Great Britain.
After that, the created video is simply uploaded to YouTube. We come up with a name for the video and tags. And we start making money on monetization. You can also make spoken videos and you can use videos from Pixabay or Pexels to fill in the picture. Do what you like and what interests you. Different categories of videos are paid for at different prices. But the most paid video category is investment and finance. There are so many free pictures and videos on Pixabay and Pexels site. You can create 70% of your videos with this one. The other 30% is the idea and script. There is a second way to make money using Pixabay and Pexels sites. You can create your account and start making videos or pictures for this site. Each person who downloads a picture or video will receive notifications to send you a donation. And with this you can earn a good amount. If you like photography, then Pixabay and Pexels are a great opportunity to advertise yourself and your social networks. And you can start making good money on advertising. First make free content to gain an audience and then develop paid content. For example, Patreon subscriptions or Instagram ads. That's all. These are two ways to earn money without investments on Pixabay and Pexels sites. If you like this video then please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.